Hi, this is Emily Crutchfield with Member Solutions. We're incredibly excited for you to experience the new look and feel that comes with MyVolo software. Let's take a peek at the new navigation. The first enhancement you'll notice is the login screen. We've created a simple login screen for you, your staff, and your members. The URL for your Volo site will remain the same. Once logged in, you'll notice that the row of tabs that were previously at the top of your browser have been relocated to the left side of the screen, utilizing sleeker-looking hover over and fly-out menus. For those using a tablet, you'll notice that this menu is collapsible to offer you more space to view and take action in your business. The color of the menu in which you are working will remain highlighted as an indication of where you are within the application. To navigate to a different area of your software, simply hover over the appropriate menu header and select where you want to go. This updated navigation is the first step in what will be a year-long series of exciting releases. Each release will deliver key functionality for an even better experience. Stay tuned for our next big enhancement, an upgraded point-of-sale module. If you have any questions, please contact our support team by emailing support@membersolutions.com, calling 877-600-3811, or initiating a chat session using our live chat feature. As always, thank you for your support as we continue providing you with a state-of-the-art business management tool.